Meaning of filmstrip.
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 Filmstrip. A filmstrip is a series of photographic images arranged in a linear sequence, typically used to present information or tell a story. The images are usually arranged in a long, narrow strip that can be viewed sequentially to create the illusion of motion and convey a sense of narrative or progression. Film strips were commonly used in educational settings before the widespread availability of video technology, as they provided a cost-effective way to present visual information to large groups. Today, film strips are largely obsolete due to advances in technology, but they remain an important part of the history of educational media.